Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you read about the Italo Treno partners in the app itself. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on your account there. Now you can just press on loyalty program here and press on partner down below. And you will be able to read about their partners basically, and you can just check out them in more detail, like press on find out more for example, and you can just read about anything here that interests you. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.